Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths. Today let us have a problem based on chapter area. Already you have learned few problems. Today one more let us do one more problem, very interesting one. The question is, a piece of wire of length 144 cm is bent to form a semicircular region. Find its radius and the area enclosed by it. That means a wire is there, it is bent and made in the form of a semicircle. Let me draw the figure. The wire is made in the form of a semicircle and total length of the wire is 144 cm. That means perimeter of the semicircle is 144 centimeters. If it is so, find the radius. We know that this is radius, this is also radius, and also the area enclosed by this semicircle we have to find. Okay, so what is given is length of a wire is given to us. Length of wire is given as 144 cm. Let me write, length of the wire is made in the form of a semicircle. That means perimeter of semicircle is 144 cm. Okay, and we know that the formula for finding the perimeter of a semicircle is, we know circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So circumference half circumference is pi r plus 2r, which already you have learnt. So the formula for perimeter of a semicircle is pi r plus 2r, or we can write r common, r into pi plus 2. Okay, r into pi plus 2 is equal to 144, or we don't know. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into 2 is 144, or r into 7 LCM 22 plus 14 is equal to 144, or r into 36 by 7 is equal to 144, or r is equal to 144 into 7 by 36. 6 6 are 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6 4s are. So 28 cm. R is 28 means its radius is 28 cm. That means radius of the semicircular region is 28 cm. That is what asked. Therefore, its radius is equal to 28 cm. After that, one more question is also asked. Find its radius and the area enclosed by it. What is the area enclosed by this wire? By this wire means by this semicircle, that we have to find out. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. So area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. So by using that formula, we can find area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. Pi value 22 by 7. This by 2 I am writing here. R square, or we got 28. Square is there, so 28 into 28. 7 1s are 7 4s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 22 into 28 into 2. 28 2s are 56 into 22. Let me do multiplication here. 56 into 22. 2 6 are 12, to 1 carry, 2 5 are 1, 11. Leave ones place. 1 1 2. So we get 1 2 3 2. 1232 cm square. So the area enclosed by this wire or the semicircular region is 1232 cm square. Therefore, the area enclosed by the semicircular region is 1232 cm square. These are the two questions asked. Find its radius and also find the area enclosed by it, and both are found out. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.